Om. My name is Shravan Poddar. I'm Marwari. My ancestor came from Rajasthan, but I was born in Bihar, Betia Champaran, and I came to UK, Scotland, in Glasgow in 1967. I'm so lucky to have I'm so overwhelmed that I have been invited to brief you all about the yoga and its benefit in our daily life and healthy living. Especially today on 21st of June, on the auspicious occasion of World Yoga Day. From my heart, I would like to thank all the members of our guests of All India Marwari Vayu family. First to the National President, Sri Kapil Lakotia ji, then to the Uttar Pradesh Marwari Vayu family State President, Sri Anurag Agarwal ji, and our Honorable Sri Ravi Krishnan ji, who is the youth icon. The body to function, what do you need? You need a prana. What is prana? It's a universal energy. It's all around us. And the breath is the main vehicle for prana to enter your body. Prana is the foundation and the essence of life. Prana flows in everything that exists in the entire universe. Prana is the source of all movement in our body, from your respiratory, excretory, digestive system, even cellular growth, healing, even reproductive system. Our overall health and well-being is tied directly to the quantity and the circulation of prana in our body. Prana is the body's support system. If we are unable to absorb it, what happens to the body? It dies, it perishes. How does the prana feels like? It feels like a pulse, vibration, tremor. Where do you store it? When you're breathing in, you're taking prana, you store it at the solar plex, your navi, your belly button. There's an exercise through which we all can clearly feel the prana in our body. You like to feel it? You take your both hands apart, close your eyes, and focus between the energy between the palm of your hand. Gently bring your both hands closer to you, closer to you. As you come closer and closer, suddenly you feel the sensation of pulse between the palm of your hand. Once you come within 1 centimeter, you can feel the vibration, attraction, magnetic field between the two. That's prana at work. And suddenly when you go back, slowly, you can feel the pressure back of your hand. That's prana at work. Remember, everything in the universe is made up of fire, air, space, earth, and water. Fire is positive, air is positive, space is negative, earth is neutral, and water is negative. Thumb is your fire, index finger air, middle finger space, ring finger earth, and little finger water. That's when the school children go, miss, can I go to bathroom? That's your water verse. Touching the fire is an important element. Tipping the fire, tip of the element, you balance the element. It can go up or go down either. Putting the fire to the base of the element, you increase it, and bring the element down to the base of fire and pressing it, you suppress it. That's the whole science of mudra. What mudra does, it directs the prana to certain part of the body to energize, to exercise. It's like if you do a Adi mudra, if you open your palm of your hand, put the thumb in the middle, and put the thing. This is Adi, means the Sanskrit word means fist, mukha. That sends the energy to the top section of your lung and your airways. We do pranayam, and thus you get the maximum air into the lung. Lung capacity increases. That's what mudra does. So where does the prana come from? There's only from three sources: food and water, air we breathe in, and nature. How much energy comes from food and water? You spend all your life eating and drinking. अब जिंदगी भर खाते पीते रहते हैं. Less than quarter comes from food and water. More than 50% comes from prana, breathing. That's why people who learn to breathe properly don't become ill. Even it's been proven, the person who won a Nobel Prize, that the cancer cell cannot thrive in oxygenated environment. And the rest come from nature, sitting in the sun, amongst the plant, the birds and the bees, the mountain and the lake. Very important. So really, I don't want to take too much of your time because I'm just trying to make sure you all enjoy, have a lovely day. So try to use mudra to get the prana direct to a certain part of the body to get the maximum benefit of prana. Like a Gyan mudra, your thumb is your pineal pineal gland. Just by touching it, you increase your memory power, more focus, more concentrate. So mudra has all the different benefits of different illness. So please have a lovely day and have a nice day on 21st on the World Yoga Day. And thank you very much for inviting me home. Have a lovely day. Take care.